Hi everyone, I am Betty. You are welcome to another interesting tutorial. We want to learn how to make air freshener. And air freshener, there is market for it because most people want their houses, their homes, their offices, school, hospital to have a good smell or fragrance. So air freshener does this job. It removes those bad odors, offensive odors from our homes, from our offices. So the chemical or ingredients we need for this particular production are: 1. Fragrance. For this tutorial, I want to make use of vanilla fantasy. This is 100 ml in here. Vanilla fantasy. Another one I need is ethanol, 100 ml. And this is my ethanol. If you don't see ethanol, you can make use of methanol. This is ethanol, and this is methanol. Can you see? They are both alcohols, but not edible alcohols. We don't drink this particular alcohol. They are not edible. But this ethanol is better health-wise. Is better than methanol in productions. I don't normally use methanol to produce. I just want to show you. So in case if you don't see ethanol, you can as well use methanol in air freshener production. Methanol is not that good for the body. It's toxic, but this ethanol is better. So I need 100 ml for this particular production. Then the water quantity I need is 1000 ml. That is 1 liter. And this is my water. This is 500 ml. This is 500 ml. That is 1 liter for this air freshener production. Another thing I need is my menthol crystal. This is my menthol crystal. I need 1/4 teaspoon. It's actually a catalyst for this air freshener. This is my teaspoon, so I need 1/4 of it for this crystal, this menthol. The next thing I need is my Texapon, and in here I have my Texapon. It looks like gel, whitish gel-like chemical. This is my Texapon, and for this production I need just a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. I showed you my teaspoon, this teaspoon. For this particular production. Then I also need binder or whitener. Some people call it whitener, some people call it binder. And for this I need just 10 ml quantity of binder. The work of this binder is to help bind all other ingredients together to avoid any separation. Sometimes maybe due to not turning it well, the perfume will separate, or this one will separate, the water will separate. So the binder, as the name implies, is to bind all other ingredients, but it's optional. Some people don't like adding it to their air freshener. Another thing that is optional is color. This is my color, so I can choose any color I want. If this is your first time of production, you will mix your color with little water. But this is my color that I have, all this one. I'll mix it for another production, but this is the remaining one, so I have to store it. You don't pour water. This one is blue color. Don't pour it away. This one is pink. So any color I want to add, but add just very small. The lighter the better. Too much color will stain your wall, your curtain when you spray the air freshener. So I can choose any one. I don't need to mix it again. But if you don't have this type that I've mixed already, just use a small bowl or cup or plate and add little of your colorant, then add water and mix. So basically, this is my formula. The fragrance and the ethanol or methanol quantity is the same. Like here I told you, it's 100 ml for fragrance and 100 ml for ethanol. Then my water will be the fragrance quantity times 10. So here my fragrance is 100 ml, so times 10 is 1000. So I told you my water quantity is 1000 ml, that is 1 liter. Hope you remember. You can easily increase or decrease your quantity, that is your choice. If you want 5 liters of air freshener, if you want to produce air freshener with 500 ml, if you want to produce air freshener with 1000 ml of water, if you want to produce air freshener with 2000 ml, that is 2 liters, it's all your choice. Just increase or decrease this my formula. So that means if you want maybe 2000 ml, that is 2 liters, your perfume or fragrance will be 200 ml, your ethanol or your methanol will be 200 ml, like that. If you want to produce, if you have maybe 250 ml of perfume, that means you have 250 ml of ethanol and 2500 ml, that is 2 liters and half of water. That is just it. Just apply it. Do your calculations. Very simple. So like I said, catalyst. My catalysts are this menthol crystal and texapon. And catalyst here refers to substance that helps work to increase the reaction of your air freshener. So when you spray the air freshener, the smell can last, but don't add too much catalyst to your production. Too much is not good. So the next thing to do, the method, is to pour your ethanol inside a container. So this is my 100 ml ethanol, and this is my 1/4 teaspoon of menthol crystal. So I want to add it inside the methanol and stir to dissolve. If I want to dissolve this menthol crystal inside water, it will take time. That means I'll be pounding it. I'll pound it to dissolve, to be able to dissolve. But with this alcohol, it will dissolve. So the next thing to do is to cover this container. So while the menthol crystal is dissolving inside the methanol or ethanol, the next thing to do is to scoop my 1 teaspoon of texapon inside this bucket and add some quantity of water to stir and dissolve it. I want to do it now. So in here is some quantity of water. I've poured some quantity of water inside this bucket, and this is my 1 teaspoon texapon. So I want to add it inside here and stir gently to dissolve. So my texapon and my water, gently stir to dissolve. You can stir for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then after that, I will pour the remaining water. This, I said, is some quantity of water. So the remaining water is, this is 500 ml, and the remaining part from this one. So you pour all inside this bucket. But if you don't have this type of my color, pour and remain just like 10 ml to dissolve your color. So you not add too much water into your production. So having stirred for like 3 minutes, I want to add the remaining water. And also stir gently. So the next thing to add is my ethanol and menthol crystal mix. I want to add it inside here. If you have the patience, you can allow this to settle for like 10 to 15 minutes. But if not, add it now. So the crystal have dissolved. Gently pour and stir. The next thing to add is my color. Which color will I use now? Let me add a little bit of blue color. So I just added my blue color. The lighter, the better. Then the next thing to add is my binder. If you don't want to add color, skip this step. Next thing to add is my binder, and I need 10 ml. This cover is 5 ml, so 2 of it is 10 ml. I just want to add inside here. So I just added my 10 ml binder. If you still don't want the binder, skip this step. It's optional. I've told you the function of the binder, but some people don't like it. Inside their production, add and stir for like 1 minute. So after the binder, that is if you're adding your binder, the next thing to add is your perfume. That is the last thing to add. The perfume, 100 ml of, for me, this one is fantasy, vanilla fantasy. So you can choose any nice or good fragrance and add. I'm adding my fragrance. And you stir to mix or blend. So this vanilla fantasy is a mild perfume. If you want strong perfume, you can choose to add strong perfume. You can also choose to mix mild and strong perfume, but don't add too strong perfumes to avoid choky air freshener. So don't package immediately. Allow this mixture to settle for like 5 to 7 days. Pour inside a container and tightly cover it. So I want to pour inside this my container and leave it for like 1 week to settle. If I package in spray containers, and your air freshener is ready. Thanks so much for watching. I am Betty. After 5 to 7 days, you can package in fancy containers like this. Package to stand out. Nice in fine containers with spray, so that you know this is air freshener, so that it can be able to come out easily. Spray pump. So thank you again.